Hello, I'm John Sheeler, and my YouTube channel is Smokegrass Campers. And I thank you for tuning in today. Today will be a small video on our setup, our rig, and our tow vehicle. Thank you once again for tuning in. This is our 2005 Ford F-150. This is what we use to pull our camper with. It has been equipped with the Edge computer programmer. It's a little dirty. Our mirror extenders, which work great. Decals, just your standard Ford F-150 FX4 with 160,000 miles on it, and still pulling a 32-foot camper. Got the load handling hitch. Weighs about 60 pounds. And I'll tell you that, show it to you here in just a second, but that Edge programmer, the last trip that we took, we went down to Jekyll Island, Georgia, which is somewhat downhill, at least it's flatter area. And this time we're headed into the Great Smoky Mountains outside of Bryson City, gaining quite a bit of elevation. Trip to Georgia, we got 7 miles to the gallon. Trip up here with the programmer, we got about 10.3, so it was quite a help. Edge program, they've done a very nice job of molding it to the dash and stuff where it looks like it's factory. I would advise anybody, especially with a gas motor, 5.4 liter Triton, to invest in that. Edge programmer does a good job. It increased gas mileage all the way around, both towing and just running around. And this is our 32-foot Zinger. Crossroads, a Thor company. Weighs about 7,200 pounds. You know, yeah, we could use a bigger truck, but it gets it there and gets it back, and that's about all we really needed to do. So it's done a very good job. And we just put the logos on the back of the camper, Smokegrass Campers. This is our little camper set up at Eula Campground, Bryson City.